bathroom, the water runs out. It's another disadvantage to the household. So obviously, that's a good thing, that's a bad thing. But I think it will be good for the government to get more revenue, because if people are paying it, if the people are paying the way they paid us for electricity, it will bring more revenue, it will bring more money, income for the government. So I think it's a good thing.
Honestly speaking, at first I should explain to you that I don't use potable water. But my whole idea concerning that new technology is that as a Ghanaian, I believe we bring in technology or things that one way or the other, we don't run good pilot survey on the device or the product we are bringing to the public, and whereby we end up creating problem for the customers, because here I am, maybe I've purchased manpower, but the meter or whatever device you give to me to monitor my utility usage is not well efficient or not, very comfortable for our environment as in Africa or in Ghana. And sometimes we end up tossing the customers up and down. If water want to introduce something like this, they should run proper pilot survey, do customer reviews about the whole thing, how they are managing it, before they roll the whole system out.
To me, it's good. Reason being is people waste water, you get it, and majority don't pay actually. So if they're cutting you from when you buy it and it's finished and you cut, then you know that, oh, indeed, it's run. Just like how electricity, if it's going, you go and check that, oh, okay, I have this amount of money there left. Yes, the same way with the water. So I think it's okay.
Expensive for the local people to pay for it. It should rather be maintained as a monthly one, so that when it's time for you to pay for the month, it's okay. And I think that idea should be cancelled out, and we should look forward to helping the local people or those in the rural areas to get more water, rather than giving us a premium like the electricity.
So it looks like opinions